Bridging the gap between your Mac and Android for video sharing has never been easier. And today we're diving into the most effective ways to get your favorite videos from your computer to your phone. Our first method is the classic USB connection. A reliable way to get those large video files over. Simply connect your Android device to your Mac using a USB cable. Your Mac should recognize it as a storage device. Open your Finder window and locate the video files you want to transfer. Then open another Finder window to access your Android device's storage, usually under internal storage or SD card. What you'll want to do is create a dedicated folder for your videos on your Android device, perhaps called Videos or Movies. Now, with both windows open, simply drag and drop your selected video files from your Mac's Finder directly into that newly created folder on your Android device. Once the transfer is complete, you can safely eject your Android device from your Mac and enjoy your videos on the go. Next up, we'll explore the convenience of cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud are fantastic for this on your Mac. Open your web browser and navigate to your preferred cloud storage service. Upload the video files you want to transfer to your cloud account. It's as simple as clicking the upload button and selecting your files. Once the upload is finished, grab your Android device. Make sure you have the corresponding cloud storage app installed and logged into the same account. Open the app, and you should see your uploaded videos ready to be accessed. You can usually download them directly to your Android device for offline viewing or stream them directly from the cloud. Finally, let's talk about wireless transfers, perfect for when you don't have a USB cable handy. There are many user-friendly apps for this. Popular options include AirDroid, Send Anywhere, or even your Mac's built-in AirDrop if you have a compatible Android device. Generally, you'll install the app on both your Mac and your Android device. Then, follow the app's instructions to pair your devices, often by scanning a QR code or connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can browse files on your Mac within the app on your phone and select the videos you wish to transfer wirelessly. This method is incredibly convenient for quick transfers without any cables, making media sharing a breeze.